Are you looking for the best Android tablets? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best Android tablets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Lenovo Tab M9. Lenovo Tab M9 is a tablet that provides a long battery life, a stunningly mobile cinematic experience, Google Lens, and facial recognition. The tablet has a 5100 mAh battery that offers up to 13 hours of video playback, allowing you to binge-watch your favorite movies and shows for longer. Its 9-inch HD display provides an immersive cinematic experience. With Google Lens, you can translate text, get help with homework, or quickly identify products, plants, and places. The facial recognition feature keeps your tablet's security under lock and key for safe and convenient login. Lenovo Tab M9 is powered by a powerful MTK G80 octa-core processor and up to 32 GB of storage, ensuring smooth and fun gaming and browsing. Number 2. YQSAVIOR Tablet. This YQSAVIOR 10-inch tablet is equipped with the latest Android 11 system and a powerful quad-core processor to ensure smooth performance. With Google GMS certification, users can download various apps from Google Play. The tablet features a dual camera, 2MP front and 8MP rear, dual speakers, 2.4G Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and an IPS touchscreen. The 6000 mAh battery and energy-saving processor allow for up to 8 to 10 hours of mixed use. The tablet also comes with 64 GB of internal storage and supports up to 512 GB of expandable storage with a microSD card. The 10-inch IPS display has a resolution of 1280 by 800, providing a wide viewing angle and vibrant colors. This lightweight and multifunctional tablet is ideal for work, study, or play, making it a great gift for any occasion. Number 3. Whitedeer Android Tablet. The Whitedeer tablet offers powerful performance with its latest Android 14 system and an 8-core processor, making it perfect for multitasking between work, gaming, and learning. With 8 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, you can easily download apps and store videos, plus expand your storage up to 1 TB. The 10.1-inch HD touchscreen enhances your viewing experience with vibrant colors while protecting your eyes from blue light, ideal for watching videos or reading at night. Additionally, its long-lasting 5000 mAh battery allows you to enjoy up to 5 hours of video playback and 15 days on standby. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Tab M9 Plus Tablet. The Samsung Galaxy Tab M9 Plus offers an impressive 11-inch display, perfect for enjoying videos and games with family. Its vibrant screen brings content to life, making it ideal for kids and adults alike. With quad speakers enhanced by Dolby Atmos, you will experience rich, immersive sound that elevates your entertainment. The upgraded chipset, featuring 4 GB RAM and expandable storage up to 1 TB, ensures smooth performance whether you're gaming or multitasking. You can easily run multiple apps simultaneously, allowing you to browse the web, check emails, and take notes without missing a beat. Number 5. TUOHAITIME Android 14 Tablet. The TUOHAITIME tablet offers a powerful 2.0 GHz octa-core processor, ensuring you experience a 40% boost in speed compared to standard quad-core tablets. With its 10.1-inch screen and 1280 by 800 resolution, it's ideal for enjoying movies or working on projects at home. You'll benefit from 10 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 512 GB, allowing you to store all your favorite apps and media without hassle. Plus, the 6000 mAh battery lets you enjoy up to 12 hours of use, making it perfect for long travels or binge-watching sessions. Number 6. Tablet 10-inch Android Tablet PC. The ZZB Tablet 10-inch Android 11 tablets is a great value for the money. It is equipped with a high-performance quad-core CPU, Android 11.0 system, 2 GB RAM, 32 GB ROM with 512 GB expandable storage, 6000 mAh battery, and 10.1-inch 1280 by 800 IPS display. It also has dual cameras, 8 megapixels on the rear and 2 megapixels on the front, for taking amazing photos and video chatting. It is ideal for watching videos, learning tools, and reading ebooks. Number 7. ECOPAD Android 13 Tablet 10.1 inch. The ECOPAD Tablet 10.1 inch is designed to enhance your digital experience. With its powerful quad-core processor and Android 13 operating system, you can enjoy smooth video playback, gaming, and multitasking without any lag. The ample 6GB RAM and 64GB storage, expandable up to 1TB with an SD card, ensure you have enough space for your photos, videos, and files. The vibrant 10.1-inch IPS display brings your movies and books to life, while the dual camera setup makes video calls and photography a breeze. Plus, the long-lasting 6,000 mAh battery provides up to 8 hours of uninterrupted use, perfect for binge watching or working on the go.